Muscle recovery is crucial for anyone who engages in regular exercise, especially strength training. When you work out, you create microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. This is a natural part of the muscle building process. However, without proper recovery, these tears can lead to muscle soreness, fatigue, and even injury. Recovery allows your body to repair these micro tears and rebuild muscle tissue stronger than before. It's during the recovery period that your muscles adapt and grow, leading to increased strength, size, and performance. Ignoring muscle recovery can lead to overtraining, a state where your body is unable to recover from the demands placed upon it. Overtraining can result in decreased performance, persistent fatigue, increased risk of injury, and even hormonal imbalances. Therefore, prioritizing muscle recovery is just as important as the workout itself for achieving your fitness goals safely and effectively. To appreciate muscle recovery, it's helpful to understand the science behind muscle repair. During resistance training, your muscle fibers experience microscopic damage. This damage triggers an inflammatory response. This response is a natural part of healing. It signals the body to send cells to repair the torn muscle fibers. These cells remove damaged tissue and rebuild muscle protein. This process requires rest, nutrition, and recovery strategies. Neglecting recovery can hinder progress and increase injury risk. There are several effective methods for enhancing muscle recovery. Rest is essential for repairing and rebuilding muscle tissue. Proper nutrition provides the building blocks for muscle repair. Consume a diet rich in protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Hydration is vital for muscle recovery. Water transports nutrients to muscles and removes waste. Active recovery, like light stretching, increases blood flow and reduces soreness. Section 4. The role of sleep and supplements. Sleep is often overlooked, but is one of the most crucial aspects of muscle recovery. During sleep, your body releases growth hormone, which plays a vital role in muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to optimize muscle recovery and overall health. Certain supplements may also support muscle recovery. Protein powder can help you reach your daily protein requirements, while creatine can aid in muscle growth and repair. Branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, can also reduce muscle soreness and promote muscle protein synthesis. However, it's essential to remember that supplements should not replace a healthy diet and lifestyle. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian before adding any supplements to your routine. Section 5. Prioritizing muscle recovery for optimal results. In conclusion, muscle recovery is not an afterthought, but an integral part of any effective fitness regimen. Understanding the science behind muscle repair, prioritizing rest and nutrition, incorporating active recovery strategies, getting adequate sleep, and considering helpful supplements can significantly enhance your body's ability to recover, adapt, and grow stronger. By making muscle recovery a priority, you'll not only reduce your risk of injury, but also optimize your training outcomes, leading to greater strength, improved performance, and a faster path to achieving your fitness aspirations.